What's going on, guys? Mr. WWE Report giving you the NXT scoop for April 18th, 2012. Yesterday's edition of NXT, we saw William Regal get fed up at the recent actions of Tyler Reks and Curt Hawkins, making them go one-on-one with each other where the loser got fired. Curt Hawkins making the first strike at Tyler Reks, then a back-and-forth match which had Tyler Reks winning. After the match, Curt Hawkins was fired, but then Tyler Reks, who wanted to bury the hatchet with William Regal then fired him. So both of these men are now fired, but this is of course a storyline and both these guys are still employed with the WWE. As you still check the roster, they are still there and they are still employed by the WWE, as this is a great NXT storyline, along with Johnny Curtis and Maxine being handcuffed to each other. Well, they were actually handcuffed on the wrong side, as you saw. William Regal handcuffed them, Maxine on the right and Johnny Curtis on his left, making it very difficult for both them. As it returned from commercial break, it was actually switched, as Johnny Curtis was on the right and Maxine on the left. So actually a very good edition of NXT April 18th, 2012.